Okay, guys, we're getting in another battle once again. This time, we're using the rare fish. That's right. We're using the rare fish. That's right. Sharpedo. So this team's a little crazy. For once, we're not using Scissor. Oh no, he's got rain. I'm pretty sure Drizzle was normally banned in like smoking clauses and stuff, but it's alright, I guess. It just happens. Maybe the rain will even help our Sharpedo out, you know what I'm saying? So, Sharpedo is actually, like, not even that strong here. Like, it needs, like, 2 speed boosts to really start getting going. But we'll see how this goes. My opponent has a crazy team, but we'll see how this goes. Polito Ed. Yeah. I forgot to write down his team once again, but it's fine. I'm gonna get just some spikes up. Okay. I wonder if this has rapid spin or anything like that. I'm gonna try putting it to sleep right now. Okay, that's fine. He's trying to weaken me for some reason here. Okay. This might have been a waste of a sleep clause, but it's fine. I'm just gonna get more spikes up here. Okay, so he's just weakening me here. And I got my full layers, so I'm not entirely sure what he's trying to do to my Roserade here. But I got my full layers up, so I'm kinda glad. I don't think this has anything he can possibly hit me with. So I'm just gonna go into Garchomp. And just get my rocks up, honestly. Like, get all the hazards up. Okay. He goes out into Ludicolo, which is really scary, actually. Because I'm not sure if I have a good switching for this. Had I stayed in, maybe I could have Sludge Bomb, but I don't think because of those Eerie Impulses I could have done much damage. So this is Leftovers, which is pretty scary because if he has maybe Substitute, that can get out of hand. I think I'm just going to go into Magnezone here. Okay, so here comes the Ice Beam. However, the Hydro Pump from this is still going to hurt a lot. I'm just going to attempt to Volt Switch here. I think Electrode has Lightning Rod, though. So, and I already forgot his team. I don't remember if he has a Ground type or not. So he goes for the Scald, and I should be able to live this? Yeah, but barely. So Rain's still up. Huh. I'm thinking I just finish this off with a Mach Punch. This is still doing a lot of damage to whoever switches in anyways. So, I'm fine with a Choice Spin and Mach Punch. Besides, Infernium's a little weak here because of the rain. So, those spikes will do a big damage to this next time it comes out, though. Okay, so here comes the Defog. I should have probably used U-turn here, but I don't know. I was afraid that it would actually attack me here. Okay, Rain is gone, though. I expect a defog here, so I'm just gonna go out into this. I know he does not have much switches to this, and because Roserade still has the sash intact, I can probably just set up my layers once again. So he is Draco's. Um, I don't think I live this at all. I do not. However, I think it is time. I'm not even gonna protect here because I think he switches out. So I'm just going for a crunch. Yep. Just gonna get in damage. Oh, I'm sorry, but the rain's gonna be mine now. Yeah, that rain's gonna boost me, not you. Okay, let's see how this turns out. Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna hold on to my protect. I might need it later. Okay, swapping out. I'm not sure if this is a switch-in, especially after the spikes damage. Especially not now. So Sharpedo going absolutely bazingotron right now. Going crazy. Sharpedo. He's going crazy. Now this is why you invest in rare fish. This is what rare fish investment is all about. Now, I know I've gone for 3, but I just want to be safe here, I think. And get another speed boost. He might even explode. Oh. So he's going a little bit crazy there. Rain's still up, so let's go for this waterfall. This should absolutely destroy it. Oh, the aftermath. Okay. So that's chipping us down. However, Sharpedo already basically getting all the kills here. We should be at +5 speed. There's nothing that could possibly outspeed it now. I did a specific spread on the Sharpedo too. It's max attack, 20 HP, and the rest in speed, and that's just because with the not 20 in a special attack. Okay, he might sucker here. Hmm. I think he should have done this a long time ago. I don't know why he didn't just go into this now, because I'm pretty sure this is grind skin and immune to my waterfall. But hmm. I don't think Ice Beam is doing much to this. I think I'm just gonna crunch to get in damage on this. Okay, so he does go for sucker. I was gonna protect there, but oh, he crits too. What? It's fine. Sharpedo got work done, and it's fine. And it is dry skin, so there's not much we could have really done there. I think we now go into this and just Earthquake. Yeah, even if Latios comes in, then what? If Latios comes in, I'm just gonna sack zone, I think. Hmm. It's a little risky, but I'm actually gonna Dragon Call here, expecting Latios to come in. Okay. Now we Dragon Claw here, and that's another knockout. Oh, scary Ludicolo once again. The spikes almost got him. If I would have gotten rocks up at any moment, I could have probably taken care of this. But at this point, it is sacking this. Trying to get a little bit of health back, but I don't think that's enough for really anything. The rain has stopped now. Oh, he disconnected. So that's it, folks. That's it, guys. So as you can tell, the rare fish, Sharpedo, makes players disconnect. Even if they're using like some try-hard rain team, it's it's just how it is. Wait, what's this? Is this? Oh, for a second I thought that was me, because that's odd. Only 3 players here. Anyways, uh, thanks a lot for watching, guys. That was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. All right, egg out.